children, here is Janta sir. Today I am going to teach you mathematics of standard 8 and the chapter name is rational numbers. We'll start from that exercise 1D onwards and today's learning scopes are properties of division of rational numbers, closure property, commutativity test, associativity test and then exercise 1D. Let's start children. Division of rational numbers. If a by b and c by d are any two rational numbers, then a by b divided by c by d equal to a by b into this c by d, its reciprocal, it will be d by c equal to a into d, ad divided by b into c, this is bc, where c by d is not equal to 0. Then question is coming here that if say c by d it will be then 0, what will happen? Look at here children, I have taken if c by d equal to 0, the division, how it can be done? A by b divided by c by d is not defined, cannot be defined, and division is the inverse of multiplication. Example, here I have taken 3 by 4 divided by 5 by 12 equal to 3 by 4 and its 5 by 12, its reciprocal, it will be 12 by 5. Then reduce it, 4 1 ja 4, 4 3 ja 12, then 3 3 ja 9 divided by 5, then make it into that mixed fraction, it is 5 1 ja 5, 1 whole 4 by 5. Now come to that example 2, minus 6 by 7 divided by 4 by 21 equal to minus 6 by 7 into, then its reciprocal 21 by 4, 21 by 4. Now reduce it, 2 2 ja 4, 2 3 ja 6, then 7 1 ja 7, 7 3 ja 21. Now look at here that minus minus minus, it is 3 3 ja 9 divided by 2, minus 9 by 2. You can make it also a mixed fraction. Now example 3 you come, minus 16 by 27 divided by minus 8 by 9 equal to, keep as it is, minus 16 by 27, minus 16 by 27, instead of division you make it that into, then its reciprocal, a minus 8 by 9, it will be 9 by minus 8, then 8 1 ja 8, 8 2 ja 16, then 9 1 ja 9, 9 3 ja 27. So it is coming now minus minus divided by minus equal to plus, so 2 1 ja 2 divided by 3 1 ja 3, then 2 by 3. Now come to learn that properties of division of rational numbers, and first property is the closure property. If a rational number is divided by some non-zero rational number, the result is always a rational number. Before I was telling you that if c by d is at 0, that means if it is divided by 0, what it will happen? I will show you that afterwards now. So once again look at here that if a rational number is divided by some non-zero rational number, the result is always a rational number. How it is? Example is taken here, 3 by 4 divided by whole divided by 5 by 8 equal to 3 by 4, then its reciprocal, children you write down that 8 by 5. Now reduce it, 4 1 ja 4, 4 2 ja 8, now 3 2 ja 6, then 5 into 1 equal to 5. This 6 by 5 is also a rational number which satisfy the closure property. Now come here that if we are dividing that 0 is a rational number, 0 divided by 5 by 2. So like that we can do also. 0 divided by 5 by 2 means equal to 0, then into, then its reciprocal, it is 2 by 5. That is 2 0 the 0 divided by 5. 0 divided by 5 equal to, that is 0 also, which is also a rational number. Now, but here you observe here, children, it is important only. Whenever you are doing that 0 divided by 5 by 2, we got that 0. But whenever we are dividing that 5 by 2 divided by 0, look at here, nothing is there means it is by 1. 5 by 2 into 1 by 0. It's reciprocal. That means 5 1 is 5 divided by 2 into 0 to 0. You look at here that which is not defined. Why it is? You look at here that if we are dividing that 5 divided by 0, is it possible to divide? Not possible. We cannot divide it. We cannot divide it. So it is not possible. So that's why it is not defined. It is infinity. Next, come to that next property, that is commutativity. Division of two different rational number is not commutativity. Example we have taken here, 3 by 4 divided by 5 by 8 is not equal to 5 by 8 divided by 3 by 4. Here I have solved here that, look at here, 3 by 4, this is the LHS side, this is the RHS side. 3 by 4 divided by 5 by 8, 3 by 4 into reciprocal 8 by 5, 4 1 is 4, 4 2 is 8, then 3 2 is 6 divided by 5. So this LHS side we got that answer, that 6 by 5. Now look at here that 5 by 8 divided by its reciprocal 3 by 4 is there. So we are writing that 4 by 3. Now 4 1 is 4, 4 2 is 8. So 5 1 is 5 divided by 2 3 is 6. Look at here, here we got that 6 by 5, but here we got that result that 5 by 6. So that's why it is not equal. So commutativity test is not satisfying the division, but it satisfies the closure property. Next property come here, whether it is satisfying or not. Associativity. Division of two different rational numbers is not associativity. If A by B, C by D and E by F are three different rational numbers, then A by B divided by C by D divided by E by F is not equal to A by B divided by C by D divided by E by F. Observe here that last two it is given bracket, here first two it is given bracket. So this associativity, you can take that any example and you yourself verify it, whether that associativity is satisfying or not. Next come to that identity, which one in case of multiplication we had learned that identity, multiplicative identity, that is that 1. But in case of division, identity for division of rational numbers does not exist. And that inverse, multiplicative inverse there we are using, but in case of division, inverse for division of rational numbers does not exist. Children, now you open your book that and example 9 you see what it is given. The product of two rational numbers is 8 by 9, and if one of them is minus 5 by 6, find the other. So it is given that product of two rational number equal to 8 by 9 and one of them equal to minus 5 by 6. Other one equal to, this is product, what it is given, 8 by 9 divided by minus 5 by 6 equal to 8 by 9 into, make it reciprocal, it is 6 by minus 5. Now after that reduce it, 3 2 is 6, 3 3 is 9. Now again not possible to reduce. So 8 2 is 16. So wait here, plus into plus by minus equal to minus. 8 2 is 16 minus 16 divided by 5 3 is 15. Next. Example 10, you see that by what number must minus 5 by 8 be multiplied so that the product is 3 by 4. product is 3 by 4. Try to understand the question. That means in this question also it is given, also product of two numbers is given and one of the number is given. So we can find out that what is the other one. So look at here, product of two numbers equal to 3 by 4. One of them equal to minus 5 by 8. Other number equal to 3 by 4 divided by minus 5 by 8. Now we will make it reciprocal. 3 by 4 into 8 by minus 5 equal to 4 1 ja 4, 4 2 ja 8, 3 2 ja 6 by minus 5. That means minus 6 by 5. Children, now let's start that exercise 1D. Question number 1, bit 4. What it is given? Look at here. Minus 21 by 16 divided by minus 7 by 8. So look at here, minus 21 by 16 into, make its reciprocal, 8 by minus 7. Now 8 1 the 8, 8 2 the 16. 7 1 the 7, 7 3 the 21. Minus minus it will be, answer it will be plus. So 3 1 the 3 divided by 2 equal to 1 whole 1 by 2. Next in the same question only children, question number 1, bit 10 you see. Minus 7 by 11 whole divided by minus 3 by 44 equal to minus 7 by 11 into 44 divided by minus 3. So 11 1 the 11, 11 4 the 44. Now again not possible to reduce. So minus minus is there, plus 4 7 the 28 divided by 3 equal to 9 whole 1 by 3. Now children, next question you see. Question number 2, divide 2 bit I 3 by 1 by 3. Question is given this one. So I am writing in this format, 3 divided by 1 by 3, and this 1 by 3 we are going to make it that reciprocal, 3 into this 3 by 1 equal to 9. Now come to that children, question number 5, and it is given that m into n equal to minus 25 by 9 and m equal to 5 by 3. Children, try to understand that. That means product of two numbers it is given and one number is given. Find the other number n equal to product of two numbers divided by one number. So product of two numbers m into n divided by one number m equal to product of two numbers, what we have got, what it is given, minus 25 by 9, minus 25 by 9. This is divided by, whole divided by. So I am writing this format only, divided by 5 by 3 equal to minus 25 by 9 into 5 by 3 can be written as that 3 by 5. Reciprocal it. 3 1 ja 3, 3 3 ja 9, 5 1 ja 5, 5 5 ja 25. Minus by plus equal to minus sign, 5 1 ja 5 divided by 3 into 1 equal to 3. So minus 5 by 3. Children, next come to that question number 10, which is the very important only. And I have not written here question. You go through your question in from your book and answer it is given here. The sum of minus, so this order only you have to do. The sum of 3 by 7 and minus 5 by 14 equal to 3 by 7. Sum means we are writing that plus minus 5 by 14. Equal to 3 by 7 plus into minus minus 5 by 14 equal to LCM 7 and 14. LCM is coming that 14. 7 2 ja 14, 2 3 ja 6 minus minus 14 on the 14, then 5, 6 minus 5 equal to 1 by 14. Now divide 1 by 14 by minus. So what we got now, look at here, sum of these two numbers we are getting. Now we have to divide that, divide 1 by 14 by minus 1 by 2. If you see your book and question, if you are understanding, it is easy. 1 by 4 divided by minus 1 by 2. 1 by 4 into 2 by minus 1 equal to plus minus minus 1 1 the 1 divided by 7 minus 1 by 7. Now come to that question number 11, that bit I, m equal to 2 by 3, n equal to 3 by 2, then m plus n divided by m minus n. So I have written, look at here, m value it is 2 by 3, plus n value it is 3 by 2, then whole divided by, then m minus n, m value 2 by 3 minus n value 3 by 2 equal to LCM 3 and 2. Inside the bracket work will finish first. 3 and 2 LCM is coming that 6. 3 2 ja 6, 2 2 ja 4, then plus 2 3 ja 6, 3 3 ja 9, then 4 plus 9, then divide. 3 and 2 LCM is coming that 6. 3 2 ja 6, 2 2 ja 4, 4 minus 2 3 ja 6, 3 3 ja 9 minus 4 minus 9. Now 4 plus 9 equal to 13 by 6 divided by minus 5 by 6 equal to 13 by 6 into 6 by reciprocal, making it reciprocal, 6 by minus 5. 6 1 the 6, 6 1 the 6, again cannot be reduced, plus minus 13 by 5. Next come to that again question number 13, and see that it is important, very important. Write down in your copy also, book also, that mark it very important. And I have not written question, you go through the question. Sum of 5 by 8 and minus 11 by 12 equal to 5 by 8 plus minus 11 by 12 equal to 5 by 8 plus into minus 11 by 12 equal to LCM 8 and 12 LCM is coming that 24. 24 divided by 8, 3 ja 24, 3 5 ja 15 minus 12 divided 24 divided by 12, it is 2 into 11, 22. Now 15 minus 22 equal to minus 7 by 24. Now we have to divide that difference of 3 by 7 and 5 by 14 given in the question. Look at your book. 3 by 7 minus difference means minus 5 by 14 equal to LCM is coming that 14. 7 and 14 LCM is coming that 14. 7 2 ja 14, 2 3 ja 6 minus 14 divided by 14 equal to 1. 1 into 5 equal to 5. That means 6 minus 5 divided by 14 equal to 1 by 14. Children, it is question, it is given that divide the sum of 5 by 8 and minus 11 by 12 by difference of 3 by 7 and 5 by 14. So now sum of this one we got, difference we got. Now we have to divide it. Look at here. Divide the same answer. Look at here. Minus 7 by 24 and 1 by 14. Now come here. Divide minus 7 by 24 by 1 by 14. Minus 7 by 24 by 1 by 14 equal to 2 1 ja 2, 2 2 ja 4, 2 7 ja 14. Minus plus minus 7 7 ja 49 divided by 12 equal to minus 4 whole 1 by 12. Children, here I can say you also, here we got that answer minus 49 by 12. This answer also can be also only 49 by 12. Why and how? If you look at here, difference of this one and this one. Somebody is writing that 3 by 7 minus 5 by 14. If somebody will write that 5 by 14 divided by 3 by 7, in that case, if you will take, so here answer it will be coming that only plus 49 by 12. So children, today's homework is that exercise 1D. So thank you. See you again.